Okay, today we're gonna switch it up and do another guided practice where we're throwing cadences back and forth, playing follow the leader. I'll do a cadence for one bar and then you do that same cadence for the following bar. Some of these I may do multiple times to give you multiple chances to try to nail it before moving on to another cadence. The beat that I'm using today is a beat that I produced called Midnight Drive. If you like this and you want to support the channel, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video description below. Now, to get started, let's just start off with a simple 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. Alright, we're warmed up. Now let's start throwing some cadences back and forth. Again, I'll go for a bar, then you, okay? Aiden, papping, broken, tapping. Taping, racking, toping, tapping. Tap of the rate, tap of the rap of the pay. Tap of the rate, tap of the rap of the weight. Tapping the reaping the low, keeping the go, happen to reaping the flow. Tapping the reaping the flow, happen to roll, happen to reaping the flow. The reaping the coat when the seeping, the reaping the flow when the coat when the reaping it. Happen to reaping it, so when the reaping it, keeping the rope when the coat when the reaping it. Seeping the rhyme, seeping the rhyme, seeping the reaping the palm. Seeping the rhyme, seeping the rhyme, seeping the reaping the palm. Out on breaking, seeping the reaping the bacon. Topping, breaking, I better reaping the bacon. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. I'm gonna reap it, so low when the reaping the popping it. Stopping the reaping the flow when the reaping the popping it. Of that, read the pack, how to roll, keep it that. Tap a rack to the pack, how to blow, tie the rack. Keep it tapping no weight, happen no weight, happen the weight. Keep it tapping no weight, tapping 8 to the rap of the weight. Keep it napping no weight, tapping no weight, happen the weight. Keep it dapping no rate, tipping the rate, happen to rap of the rate. Okay, now let's switch it up even more. I'm gonna go for 2 bars, then you go for 2 bars, and that way we can kind of build upon these cadences a little bit more and kind of push them and pull them in different ways. Let's get it. Aping, topping, roping, copping, older, cracking, people racking, see the popping. Hoping the rhyme, hoping the K, hoping the rhyme of the fade. I'm stepping the rhymes, that leave the crimes, that leave the pop of the way. I'm super the race, a little bit the case, a lot of the rhyme of the braid. Tipping the creeping the cap of the reaping the cap of the flow and the cap of the ray. Alright, this time I'm going to actually lead in to the first bar, so I'm going to be technically coming in at the tail end of the bar before it. So pay attention to that, okay? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm blowing the blapping in your plate, home the rapping in your say. I'm calling the blow up and in your brat, home the rapping in your pay. Peed them rapping in your slate, home the rapping in your prey. I'm pulling the rapping in your tapping, on them rapping in your pay. I'm sleeping the brass, the leaving your pay. I'm putting with toes, the leaving your prey. I'm living the gas, the leaving your pay. I'm living the palm, the reaping your pay. I'm sipping the creeping the flow with your pack. I'm living your brag. I'm sipping the lip of the brag. I'm living the coast, the living your clothes, the living the lip of your pack. On the brag, on the blast, on the braided popping. I'm blocking in your rhyme and then you'll take a topping. I'm on the brag, I see your brag until you break it topping. I'm blowing the brag, but lay your palm, I leap on tape a topping. Aping, opping, soaping, robbing, audible, audible, topping. Aping, topping, open, topping, edible, audible, up at the ribbon, the copping. Okay, now I'm gonna change where I'm coming at once again. Now I'm gonna start coming in later in the bar before I start rapping. All right, so here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the pad, no read the patmation. On the cross, some break on papalaping. On the pad, no brace of pack of maping. Hold the rag and no see no blastimation. I'm blowing it, I'm tapping it, I'm soaping it, I'm racking it, I'm blabbing it, I'm topping it, reaping, leaping, and creeping, you're papping it. I'm lapping it, I'm tapping it, I'm blowing it, I'm rapping it, I'm sleeping it, keeping you racking it, keeping the rope and the reaping, you're packing it. Okay, now I'm gonna play around with some swing, making things laid and kind of lazy sounding. Pay attention, I'm gonna do this for a little bit first to demonstrate it, but pay attention to how my words start landing further and further behind the snares. Listen. I'm on the brack, up on the blast on the patient. I'm plaque up on the blast in the patient. I'm on the plaque on the blast in your paping. I'm on the brack on the plaque in your taping. I'm on the brack on the slack on the making. Hear that? Now let's play around with that back and forth, alright? I'm blasted from the bracket to your taping. I put the brack on the black in your taping. I put the brack on the tap in your taping. I put the brack on the black in your taping. Alright, now let's switch it around and see if we can come in a little bit early and create like a little bit of an early swing. Pay attention, same as before, and listen how I start coming a little bit before the snares on this one. Alright, as I dial it in, check it out. I'm blipping next on the rapping nap and no presentation. I'm blowing the broke and no tapping nap and no patient. I'm for the coast to the plaque and notes to the plaque and note. I'm bleeping that, but no brack of five, and I'm bleeping sap in the coat. On the grabbing up on your toe, I'm the grabbing up sipping the go. I'm the grabbing up finger pack, from the grabbing up sipping your toe. Alright, let's just play around with it. I'm just gonna pick a cadence and let's just try to shift it a little bit before that snare a little bit. Here we go. Pull the pack and don't bleep the tap and don't feed your toe. I'm putting the rap and don't see the tap and don't bleep a toe. I'm putting the rack and don't see the tap and don't bleep a toe. I'm putting the rack and don't see the tap and don't bleep a toe. Put a rack and don't breathe the tap and no toe. I'm putting a rack and don't see the tap and no toe. That last one was really early. Let's play around with that a little bit more. I'm gonna play around with this, make it a little bit early and trying to play around with different cadences basically. All right, here we go. Hey, 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 hey. I don't blast up in your breaker till your bracket toe. Blown the brab, erase the black up on the bracket toe. On the bracket, see the breaker to your bracket toe. Black up on your rhyme, I trace the black up on your bracket toe. attack and don't break a tap and don't break a toe. On the brack and no plaque and break a tack and don't break a tap on your toe. I'm on the pack and don't break a tap and don't float the toe. On the black and don't breathe a tap and don't see the tap and don't brave a toe. Yeah, there we go. That early swing is a little bit tricky because I'm so used to doing late swings. So I was trying to dial it in a little bit more on those last few ones, but you get the gist of it. That's a fun little exercise. Let me know in the comment section below how you did. Did you struggle? Did anything throw you off a lot? And feel free to go back and practice this as many times to kind of keep those musical ears sharp and strong on your end. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.